Hello beautiful people, welcome to Bomb Kids TV. So today's video is brought to you by, we have another one y'all, ready to go out of the box. Ft.Fancivivi strikes again. So in your package you will receive the wig cap, which this is a deluxe wig cap. So what this is it's kind of like super thin. You should have seen these on my channel before, but they come with 2 in a pack and they make your melting process way easier. The gag is, this is glueless, no melting involved. I did not use a wig band, an edge band, glue, none of that. You guys will see, I'm not even lying. I use gel and hairspray, regular hairspray, not spritz, not got to be. This is just some hairspray I had, okay? So they send over that in your package, and then you have these info cards where you can scan it and get a chance at $100 cash back. Has their $30 off coupon, how to maintain the wig, the instructions on how to keep the wig looking fresh, and then yeah, a few QR, QV, however you say the codes to scan and get a chance at $100 cash back. And then it comes with the edge band and stuff. As I said, as you can see, it's still in the package, so it's not required for this unit at all. It'll come in this bag. Also, more instructions on how to maintain the wig. But if you'd like to see how I achieve this 5-minute 30-inch bust down, then just keep watching. No glue, no edge band, and no nothing. All you need is your hands and a head, okay? If you'd like to see how we achieve this, 10 out of 10, then just keep watching.